So this is a pound dollar analysis for Tuesday, 17th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price going towards this 32.81 area previously identified as an area we could potentially encounter resistance. That's pretty much what we did see, where we did encounter resistance at the 32.81, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come into the market, bring us back down towards the 32.20. From 32.20, we've had a bullish bounce above the 200 period moving average. Didn't quite have enough momentum to bring us up towards the 32.81 for another test of that level. Instead, we failed in around 32.60, and we have seen a greater degree, we've seen an acceleration of momentum here to the downside, breaking beneath the 32.20 and the 31.93. So if we continue to hold beyond the 31.93, we're looking for a move down towards the 31.47. Successful break from which, of course, the very next level of note is, of course, the 131. Previously found support in around 131, and the very next horizontal level of note will be a move down towards that 30.93. Wouldn't anticipate volatility progressing beyond 30.93 to the downside, but if we did, the very next level of note in the coming days or so, possibly a move down towards that 30.37 here on the pound against the dollar. If, however, we are able to find support from where we are present and break back above the 31.93 and hold support there, looking for a move towards that 32.20, successful break from which, and a move possible towards that 32.81, which has previously acted as resistance. We would be looking to target to the upside. Or even if we do find support at 31.47, again looking to see whether 31.93 acts as resistance or that 32.20 here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is we have a brief look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing on the pound against the dollar. So on this pound against the dollar, after posting this rather large bearish candle, large in the sense of open to close, well, the high to low range, after having this recovery to the upside, we've had a somewhat bit of a sell-off, had some bullish momentum coming to the market, rejected higher prices in around 32.81, and we're seeing after posting a somewhat bullish, we posted a pin bar here of that 32.81, and we've seen that sell side momentum follow through to the downside here. So we do have to be aware of the fact that we are coming in towards a 400 period moving average on the daily chart, which currently sits in around that 31.80. It's 31.80. Yeah, sits around that 31.80, so we got the 400 period moving average, which sits around at 31.80. But I suppose we do have to be aware that we could break beyond it and see further momentum to the downside coming in towards that 131 and 30.93. And we did mention 30.37 to the downside again. That's pretty much where we did find support previously before having a bullish bounce in the market. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.